Rinse off your scallions and then cut them up. Let the frying pan heat up, and then we're going to put our bacon. I have some boar's head, butcher craft thick cut bacon. Boar's head thick craft butcher cut thick bacon. I'm going to put that in the pan. You let the pan heat up nice and good, and then you just lay your bacon on there. Let the bacon cook nice and crispy. Turn it over. Get nice and lightly brown. Almost finished. Nice crispy thick bacon, thick cut bacon. Bacon is all done. Now we're going to take it out. We're going to drain it in some paper towel. It's all done. Nice and crispy. done, nice and crispy. And you put this in your strainer with a piece of hand towel. Nice and crispy. Looking good, looking good. Now we're gonna prepare the eggs. Some black pepper. Add our scallions. And we got our Borden's shredded sharp cheese. Heat up the frying pan, and then we're going to put in some margarine. Now we're going to pour our egg omelet, eggs and scallions, and cheese, cheddar cheese, into the frying pan. Let it cook, and breakfast will be served shortly. Let it cook nice and slow so the eggs will cook nice and soft and moist. They don't burn. Scrambled eggs looking good. Ready to eat. Scallion eggs and sharp cheddar cheese with boar's head thick cut bacon on the side. And we're going to add a few things on the plate that's going to make it a nice filling breakfast. And you're going to be full for a long time. You're going to be filled for many hours after eating this breakfast. All finished. I'm going to take it out the pot now. The eggs, scrambled eggs are all finished. We're going to put it in the plate and get ready to eat. This is Val's Kitchen Continental breakfast style scrambled eggs with scallion and sharp cheddar cheese with boar's head thick cut bacon and a piece of flatbread, some pickles, some macaroni salad, and some coleslaw. This is Val's Continental breakfast from Val's Kitchen.